Hello again and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi and this is Styled by Glam. And today we have a fun little unboxing video of a new pair of shoes I just purchased from Hermes. It is now spring summer season. Trend of that Parisian vibe is still going very strong, and I've been looking for a pair of loafers for a while now. Amongst all the brands that had to offer it, I decided to go with Hermes. I feel like this particular style they've always had it as one of their classics. That's why I think I wanted to go with them. I know Chanel also came out with a few loafers this year. I saw a few at Dior. But when it comes to making purchases these days, I do tend to want to purchase pieces that I know are classics and that can last me longer than one season. There are certain things that I prefer to buy from Chanel or other luxury brands depending on what they're known for. I feel like when it comes to luxury brands, that's how I like to shop them, at least, because that way I know every piece that I invest in will last me a really long time. Before moving on with the unboxing portion, I'm going to talk a little bit about my shopping experience. Right now, because of COVID, a lot of the stores here in LA aren't 100% open. If they are open, especially luxury brands, it is only by appointment. I initially did reach out to a friend of mine who had a contact, but that contact kind of fell through. So instead, I went through the MS website. I went to the contact section and kind of sent through an email asking if I could have someone reach out to me because I wanted to shop at their LA location. I've heard people that had to wait or had to go back or didn't get a response right away. But on my end, the experience was really quick, and honestly, it was a fairly straightforward and easy experience, and I really appreciate the service. I got an automatic reply email from MS and saying that we already got your email and we have forwarded to the Beverly Hills location, and someone from that store will get in contact with you. Just to give you an idea, the staff in store is probably half of the staff that's usually at the store, and the number of guests and customers allowed in is also at probably 50% or less. And for the appointment, each person gets an hour inside the store. I was in there for maybe like half an hour, so I already knew what I wanted. I just kind of wanted to look at the color option, try out the sizes, because I've never really tried out that style in particular. That's why I wanted to go in. For shoes especially, I always make sure I wanted to go try it on before I make the purchase. And now, without further ado, here's my purchase and the unboxing for this video. Is the receipt. The box itself is pretty standard shoe box, but it is tied with their lovely little ribbon. The box itself has their logo in the center. Shoes come with two standard dust bags. There is some tissue paper in here, not a lot. It fits pretty snugly in the box itself, so honestly, unless you're shipping it somewhere, I don't think you really need that much tissue box. I'm always happy with a less waste. Dust bags has now the shoes. these are the babies that I bought today and adding to my shoe collection. The Paris loafers from Hermes. The color combo I got today is the white with the tan color here, the rose gold hardware, which right now has a sticker on it, so I haven't peeled that yet. But I thought it was a really cute modern update to their classic style. The heel height to this pair of shoe isn't that much, maybe half an inch, but I'm fine with it. I wanted to have a comfortable pair that I can wear on a day-to-day basis, or even when I'm traveling to walk around in. And this pair, honestly, it's so comfortable when I tried it on. It is made up of cow skin and it's super soft. They did a really good job at making sure the leather binding works really smoothly all the way around. So when I was wearing it, it did not chafe me. It did not feel like it's cutting me off anywhere. Same thing with the height of the shoe here. It did not feel like it's cutting me off as well, because certain brands, their shoe mold is a lot more flat. And unfortunately, that does not work for my feet. Brands like Louboutin simply does not fit me well. In terms of sizing, I am a true 37, 6.5 girl. But certain brands run a little bit big. With Hermes, actually, I had to go down half a size as well. The 37 was fitting. It fits, but I could tell that after wearing it a while, especially with soft leather like this, you're gonna stretch it out a bit and I could feel it's gonna slip off already. So I went down half a size, and so I got a 36.5 in this pair. And the main reason I wanted a pair of loafers is, one, it is kind of in trend right now, that Parisian look. Two, I simply don't have a pair of loafers. The closest thing I have to loafers is maybe my Gucci slides, but they can look very sloppy if I'm wearing it for work or into meetings or whatnot. And I thought this pair was perfect for that. Not only it's, you know, obviously Hermes is very chic. It's a classic style that they always have. They switch up the colors from season to season. And this was their seasonal color for 2021. And I thought it was a good addition to my shoe collection. For a more put together look, I think I'll pair these loafers with a cute little blazer like the one I'm wearing now, and style it with some easy blue denim jeans and maybe a lighter color top to offset the colors on the shoes. For an everyday casual look, I think these loafers would look great with just even the cami top with, you know, some jeans. If it's lighter color jeans also, like these days I have the colored denim, like a tan color or even a pink tone color jeans. I think it will make a really cute summer combo. So that's why I thought this color would be a fun addition to my shoe closet. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me again on my channel. If you haven't already, I would love for a subscription and hit that alert bell for notification on future videos. My postings is usually on Monday. I hope you'll join me on my YouTube journey, and I will see you guys on the next one.